Hey everybody, this is Matt with GolfCartingTV. I'm here with Kevin. We're out at the No Limit Cruisers golf karting event with the South Carolina Peach Fest. Kevin has what won the most unique cart of the day, which is pretty sweet, but believe it or not, this thing started as a EZGO TXT. So Kevin, thanks for standing here with me. Tell me a little bit about what you've done here.
It's like I said, it's got airbags, functioning suicide doors.
That's awesome.
Just wide bodied.
Yeah.
You know, custom flaring, custom rocker panels, custom footboard.
And you did all that yourself?
Yes, sir. Every bit of it. It's roughly 40-foot LEDs on it.
Wow.
The headliner, just something to play with.
Yeah.
Actually, a 20-year thought. I dreamed it up 20 years ago.
Wow.
And finally got the chance to make it happen.
Why don't you show me a little air action if you could. That is so cool.
Not the fastest thing, but gets the job done.
It's not about speed, it's about looks. And it looks great. And you did these custom, so these flares up front is just all custom body work.
Flares, that's the factory TXT body, flared out. The rear is just the same way, flared out to fit the wheels up in there, the wheels and tires up in there. And
then custom painted everything?
Yeah, custom painted. Custom colors. The only color that you can buy on this thing is the yellow right there, and that's the GM, the shock yellow off the GM cars.
Really?
And yeah, everything's custom on it.
Yes, that's awesome. And what's the size of the wheels and tires?
They're 14s. I think they're 235 tires. It's just some wheels I found at the beach one year.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of fit the design I was looking for, and went from there.
And I love these mirrors.
Off of Harley Davidson.
Are they? Nice. Very cool. A little custom dash. Easy does it. Very nice. Oh, I'm gonna get your little wrench.
Represents built, not bought, in my opinion.
Built, not bought. That's very cool. And then you want to shout out anybody that's helped with this stuff? I got these stickers here, and
they just buddies.
Yeah.
They ain't really got no part in them.
All right.
You know,
they just give them a little. Tell me about the name.
Somewhere to stick them.
Is there a story behind the name?
Maybell. Hey, I figured, well, the real reason is I got it in May. And it ended up being as big and as slow as a cow, so it all fit, it all tied together.
That's great. And even the custom.
That was actually the first paint job on it.
Okay.
It was $60 worth of spray bomb bought from Walmart, and I let the kids go at it. So
what's cool is the suicide door. Like, you look at it and it's like, oh, that's cool, it's got doors on it, but when you open it up, that's like not what I was expecting. It's very cool. So how long this has been, you said, a multi-year project?
I'm about 5 years deep right now.
Wow.
You know, a little bit at a time.
Yep.
Little changes here, little changes there. I'm actually planning on blowing it apart within the next couple months and repainting.
Okay. Fixing
some stuff that needs to be attended to. And, you know, just a toy.
That's fun. We've done a great job. Very cool.
Appreciate it.
Well, thanks, man. Appreciate you taking the time to tell us about this this pretty sweet cart you got.
Thank you.
Man, that cart is phenomenal. I saw that thing in the parking lot when I first walked into the event and was like, I've got to see this thing. And he's, as he kind of mentioned, he's hit it big on TikTok. Had some pretty cool stuff. We've highlighted him a couple times, but fantastic build. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I do, or I did. And hope you'll join us back here next Wednesday at noon. See you then.